In the world of science and the environment, two big events occur each year in late April. One gets lots of national attention, so you've probably heard about it. The other is less well known, though it happens right here in Pennsylvania. The first event is Earth Day, which was yesterday. The idea originated in the late 1960s with a Wisconsin senator named Gaylord Nelson. This was a time of great unrest on college campuses, with anti-war protests called teach-ins held across the country. Senator Nelson thought, why not have a nationwide teach-in about the environment to force the issue onto the national political agenda? And millions turned out for the first Earth Day in April 1970. In 1995, Nelson received the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian honor. He was hailed as the grandfather of all that grew out of that first Earth Day, including the Environmental Protection Act and the Clean Air and Clean Water Acts. The second event has a more regional flavor. It's an awards ceremony that was held last Thursday at the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia. These awards date back to 1824, the year the Institute was founded to train artisans and mechanics. At that time, Philadelphia was a manufacturing hub, and the new institute hosted an annual exhibition honoring achievements in science. Today, the Benjamin Franklin Medals are among the most prestigious scientific awards in the world. They are given each April in computer science, chemistry, earth sciences, engineering, life sciences, and physics. In addition, a special honor called the Bauer Award comes with a cash prize of $250,000. Previous Franklin Institute Award winners include Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Jacques Cousteau, Jane Goodall, and Stephen Hawking. And several atmospheric scientists are also on that list. For example, back in 1999, the Bauer Award went to Ralph Cicerone, an atmospheric chemist and current president of the National Academy of Sciences. His research helped us better understand the depletion of the ozone layer, and he's also a huge advocate of public policy to protect the global environment. In 2003, the Earth Science Award went to Norman Phillips and Joseph Smagorinsky for their contributions to numerical weather prediction, forecasting with computers. They developed some of the first computer models in the 1950s that tracked the global movement of heat and moisture. One of Phillips's models, called the nested grid model, is still used today by forecasters. Finally, just this year, Columbia University geoscientist Wallace Broecker was honored with a Franklin Medal for his pioneering research on how ocean circulation affects both past and future environmental change. These are certainly callings that would have made Earth Day founder Gaylord Nelson proud. Paul Knight will be back with the extended forecast next.